Hello everyone, we are studying about complex number and our next topic is polar form of a complex number. So watch the complete video to know the concept of this topic, polar form of a complex number. See here, let a complex number z is equal to a plus iota b. We know a and b are real numbers, belongs to real numbers, and iota is equal to root under minus 1. You know this is an imaginary number. See here, we represent this complex number in Argand plane, right? Clear? OP. This will be a straight line here, or right? P. AB. This is real axis. This is imaginary axis, and theta is angle here. Now we join P to N, perpendicular here. See here, this is a right angle triangle, right? AB is a point here, so ON become A, and PN become B, right? This represent modulus of Z. We write this as R from figure. Right? R is equal to root under a square plus b square, and theta is equal to argument of Z. We take here principal argument of Z. And argument of Z, we know for principal argument of Z, in first quadrant alpha, second quadrant pi minus alpha, third quadrant minus pi minus alpha, and fourth quadrant minus alpha, right? Use this formula. Clear? Now see here, in triangle OPN, take sine theta. Sine theta is equal to what? Theta is here, so PN is perpendicular, PN upon hypotenuse OP. That means we get B upon R. Sine theta is equal to B upon R. So B is equal to what? So we cross multiply, we get cross multiply here, R sine theta. We get the value of B. Again, cos theta is equal to ON is base here and OP is hypotenuse. So A upon R. And we get A is equal to multiply with R cos theta. Hence we get both value A and B. Value of both value A and B, right? See here clearly. So A is equal to iota B, Z is equal to A plus iota B, or A, value of A is equal to R cos theta plus iota R sin theta. We take R as a common, cos theta plus R iota sin theta, and now value of R is, see here, this is called the polar form. Value of R is equal to root under a square plus b square, and theta is equal to argument. So this is polar form of a complex number. Polar form. What is this? This is polar form, right? Now We take an example on polar form and how to convert a Cartesian form into polar form. See here. Example here. Convert root under -1 plus root 3 iota in polar form. In polar form. Convert this in polar form. Right? See here. Solution. Let z is equal to what? -1 plus root 3 iota. Therefore, z is equal to -1. Sorry, a is equal to -1. b is equal to root under 3. Therefore, r is equal to what? Root under -1 square plus root under 3 square. We get root under 4. That means equal to 2. You can watch all the topics which are available in a playlist. Then we get better concept of this chapter or any chapters. So visit the playlist also. And tan alpha is equal to what? B by a, mod of b by a. That means root 3 upon -1 modulus means root 3. It is equal to tan pi by 3. Tan alpha is equal to this. Therefore, alpha is equal to what? Pi by 3. We get alpha here, but since z lies in minus plus, in which quadrant lie minus plus? Second quadrant. Z lies in second quadrant. So argument of z is equal to pi minus alpha. Argument of z equal to theta here we know, and z pi minus alpha means क्या? Pi minus alpha means what? Pi by 3. 3 into 1 3, 3 minus 1 2 pi by 3. So theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. We get both value. R is here, theta is here. Now polar form is z is equal to r into what? Cos theta plus iota sin theta. That means 2 into cos pi by 3, sorry, 2 pi by 3 plus iota sin 2 pi by 3. This is our final answer. This is required polar form of this complex number, right? Z equal to 3. Then see here, r equal to 3 and argument equal to what? 0. Argument equal to 0. Z equal to -3. See here, real number in positive real number. Argument is equal to 0 and modulus equal to same as this real number. When you take minus value, then we get r is equal to 3. Take positive value always, and argument equal to pi. What is argument? Pi. Z equal to 3 iota. In the case iota, see here, r equal to 3 and argument of z equal to what? Argument of z equal to pi by 2. Z equal to -3 iota. In this case, we take r equal to 3 and argument of z equal to minus pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2 also. We generally use this concept. That means we can see here z equal to a is any value 4 5 6 7 anything, any value. Z equal to minus a a is equal minus a means minus 2, minus 3, minus 7, anything, any numbers. Z equal to b iota, iota b, 2 iota, 3 iota, 4 iota. Z equal to minus iota b, minus 4 iota, minus 5 iota. And if z is equal to 0, then r is equal to, see here, argument of z equal to not defined. How to use this direct concept in question? See here. Convert in polar form. Z is equal to 4 here, right? Solution. Z is equal to 4. Therefore 4 plus 0 iota. Therefore r is equal to 4 and theta is equal to, argument of z is equal to 0. Therefore z equal to r into cos theta plus iota sin theta. That means r means 4 into cos 0 plus iota sin 0. This is your final answer. Hence we can convert any complex number in polar form. If this is useful video for you, like the video, subscribe the channel and share in your friend circle. Thank you so much all of you.